How to order a replacement M&T debit or credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can order a new M&T Bank's credit or debit card. So let's say your card was either lost or it was stolen. So in order to order a new replacement card, what you'll have to do is simply first of all log into your M&T Bank's online banking account. Now once you've logged in, simply tap on the menu option on the top left corner of your screen and then tap on the option card services. Now, once you've done that, you can see four different options where you'll have to tap on the second one, which is order a replacement card. After that, simply tap on the option replace a card. Now, remember one thing. If your card was lost or stolen, you'll have to tap on the option report a lost or stolen card so that your current card will be locked or disabled and then you will be able to replace a new card. But for now, I'll simply replace a card as my card is damaged. So once you've done that, you'll have to select which card you'd like to replace. So for now, it'll simply be my credit card. After that, simply tap on the option continue and then tap on the option submit. And there you have it. So that is basically how you order a replacement card of your M&T Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.